Implant options, evaluating prices in Europe and Turkey. Dental implants have become increasingly popular in recent years as a permanent solution for missing teeth. They offer a natural look and feel and can help restore confidence in those who have lost teeth due to decay, injury, or other reasons. However, the cost of dental implants can vary greatly depending on where you live. In this video, we will compare the prices of dental implants in Europe and Turkey to help you make an informed decision about where to get your dental implant. Europe. In Europe, the cost of dental implants can be quite high, with prices ranging from $1,000 to $3,000 per implant. This price usually includes the cost of the implant, the abutment, and the crown. However, additional costs such as X-rays, consultations, and anesthesia may also be added to the total cost. Countries like Germany, France, and the UK tend to have higher prices for dental implants compared to other European countries. This is due to the higher cost of living and labor in these countries. Additionally, the quality of materials used in dental implants in Europe is usually very high, which can also contribute to the higher prices. Turkey. On the other hand, Turkey has become a popular destination for dental tourism due to its affordable prices and high-quality dental care. In Turkey, the cost of dental implants can range from $500 to $1,500 per implant. This price includes the implant, abutment, and crown, as well as X-rays, consultations, and anesthesia. Turkey has seen a rise in dental tourism in recent years, with many people choosing to travel to Turkey to get affordable dental treatments. The lower cost of living and labor in Turkey allows for cheaper prices for dental implants compared to European countries. Additionally, many dental clinics in Turkey use high-quality materials for dental implants, so patients can rest assured that they are receiving top-notch care at a fraction of the cost. Factors to consider. When evaluating prices for dental implants in Europe and Turkey, it is important to take into account several factors. Firstly, consider the quality of care you will receive. While prices may be cheaper in Turkey, make sure that the dental clinic you choose has a good reputation and uses high-quality materials for their implants. Secondly, consider the travel expenses associated with getting dental implants in Turkey. Factor in the cost of flights, accommodation, and transportation when calculating the total cost of getting dental implants abroad. Lastly, consider the language barrier. If you do not speak Turkish, make sure that the dental clinic you choose has staff who speak English or your preferred language to ensure clear communication throughout the treatment process. In conclusion, when evaluating prices for dental implants in Europe and Turkey, it is important to weigh the cost against the quality of care you will receive. While Europe may have higher prices for dental implants, the quality of materials used is usually very high. On the other hand, Turkey offers affordable prices for dental implants, but make sure to research and choose a reputable clinic to ensure a successful treatment. Ultimately, the decision of where to get your dental implants will depend on your budget, preferences, and needs. By considering the factors mentioned in this video, you can make an informed decision about where to get your dental implant and restore your smile with confidence.